For the longest time, I hated the task of emptying the shop vac. There's no way to dump a large container of sawdust into a trash can without getting covered in sawdust yourself. Not everyone can pull off this look like Nick Offerman. But what if I told you there's a better way? But first, let me give you a little backstory. I created a short in early 2023 about the FilterPal pre-filter and how you would never need to buy another exhaust filter for your shop vac again. Well, someone commented on that video stating that I needed to try a filter bag. And I thought to myself, what's a filter bag? Well, those bags actually collect the dirt, debris, and sawdust right out of the hose instead of having them blow all over the interior of the shop vac and prematurely clogging the exhaust filter. Plus, they make emptying your shop vac a breeze. No more dust explosions. And as a side note, just like these HEPA filters, which I highly recommend, this filter bag is only for dry stuff. It's not for wet. So if you're going to clean up some sort of wet mess, make sure you take out the filter bag and your HEPA filter and install the foam filters. Now let's go over the removal and installation of the filter bags. They're very simple, and depending on what kind of shop vac you have, the attachment for the hose will look slightly different. But the main point is that you have these ridges on this plastic piece. And in the inside of the bag, the filter bag has this rubber ring. You want to put this rubber ring around that ridge. And it's as simple as pushing it in all the way around. And you'll feel it once it goes on there. And as you can see, it's hanging upside down and it's hanging in place. Now, when these are empty, they hang a little bit better, but essentially it's a horseshoe that goes around the filter. Some of them even come with a little sleeve that you could pull here and you close off this so that none of the debris comes flying out when you're changing the filter. Now, depending on how fast you're going through these filter bags, you can just toss this one. They're only about $5 a piece. However, if you're going through a ton of bags, that will add up over time. So a budget way would be to cover the hole with some saran wrap. And a rubber band. And tilt the bag to one side. You can see here that there's a seam which you can cut along. Place the whole bag in the trash can. Slowly shake it out. It keeps the dust to a minimum, and you get to reuse the bag. Simply fold it back over. 1, 2, and secure it with binder clips. Now you're ready to put it back in your shop vac. Just uncover the port, shake out whatever debris got caught in here. Keep the port at the top. Slide it in shop vac. Press it all the way up. filter and vacuum head can go in. Simple as that. And there you have it. The filter bag's been tamed and your wallet is happy. Not only are you maintaining your shop vac and the cleanliness of your shop, but you're also prolonging the life of the shop vac itself. Do me a favor, down below in the comments, let me know what your favorite shop vac hack is. If you're thinking about taking your dust collecting a little more seriously and you're looking at doing a second stage separator like a cyclone, check out this video on the Rockler Dust Right Separator. So, do me a favor, comment down below what your favorite shop vac hack